Good afternoon from the New York Stock Exchange. I'm Caroline Woods, coming to you from high above the trading floor on this Tuesday, December 2nd. The stock market may have started the month of December on a rough note, but it's bouncing back today. The major averages are higher across the board thanks to a bounce in tech stocks. The Magnificent Seven big-name tech stocks are mostly higher in afternoon trading. Alphabet is the laggard. Microsoft is the winner. Looking at some of today's other bright spots, Boeing is flying higher after upbeat comments from its CFO at a UBS conference. He said the company expects deliveries of both its 737 and 787 jets to increase next year, and that the long-delayed 737-10 should finally receive certification in late 2026. Database software provider MongoDB is surging after reporting an earnings beat. The company also raised its full-year guidance, citing broad-based demand across its business. Its CEO said MongoDB is approaching a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity as AI, cloud, and data trends all hit a true inflection point. He told investors he plans to focus on strengthening customer relationships and driving innovation in the months ahead. Estee Lauder is trading higher today, and AI could be part of the reason. Its brand Jo Malone London has rolled out the Scent Advisor, an AI-powered tool that helps shoppers find the fragrance that's just right for them. Buying perfume online is always tricky. It's hard to know what something really smells like without trying it out in person. This tool blends AI with Jo Malone's expertise to make the experience feel personal, playful, and more intuitive than usual online shopping trip. Also bouncing today, Bitcoin. After its worst day since March yesterday, it's up about 7% and trading back above $90,000. Helping sentiment, Vanguard has reversed its policy and is now allowing customers to invest in crypto ETFs and mutual funds effective today, opening the door for more mainstream access to digital assets. Even with that rebound, Bitcoin is still more than 25% below its all-time highs. I should also point out that if you look at the sector breakdown for the S&P 500 today, there are actually more negative sectors than positive. Energy and consumer staples are faring the worst. Procter & Gamble is one of the worst performers on the S&P 500. We were seeing some weakness in travel stocks today, but they're staging a recovery in afternoon trading. And Six Flags is riding high after Truist upgraded the theme park operator to buy, citing its experienced new CEO and a renewed focus on improving the business. Now, sticking with travel, heading to the airport without a real ID is about to get more expensive. The TSA says that starting in February, travelers who don't have a real ID will face a new $45 fee. Fun fact, 94% of U.S. airline passengers already have one. I'm in the 6%. There is some good news for anyone hitting the road. Drivers are finally getting a little relief at the pump. New data from GasBuddy shows the average price of a gallon of gas has fallen to its lowest level in more than 4 years. It's now $2.95 a gallon on average. That's down more than 8 cents in a week and 5 cents from a year ago, marking the cheapest price since May of 2021. GasBuddy says strong refinery output, lower crude oil prices, and softer seasonal demand are all helping push prices down. I'm also keeping an eye on Signet Jewelers today, which is lower following earnings. This is the parent company of Kay Jewelers, Zales, and Jared. It actually posted better than expected results and even raised its full-year outlook, but its guidance for the current quarter fell short of expectations. Remember, this quarter covers November, December, and January, the heart of the holiday shopping season and the lead up to Valentine's Day. So the company could be signaling that a tougher stretch for holiday spending could be ahead. Speaking of retail, after the bell today, we'll get quarterly results from American Eagle, and then tomorrow we'll hear from Macy's, PVH, Dollar Tree, and Five Below. Salesforce will also release earnings after the bell tomorrow. The stock has struggled this year, down nearly 30%, but investors will be watching to see if earnings can shift the narrative for the AI-focused software company. That's all for now. I'll be back here tomorrow with another market check-in at the NYSE. I'm Caroline Woods.